car is traveling at a speed of 45 kilometers per hour and then increases its speed to 75 kilometers per hour. The change in velocity takes 6 seconds. What is the acceleration? Alright, so again, whenever you have a word problem, it's a really good idea to try to use GUTS. Given, unknown, tool, and solution. So in this problem, our given are cars traveling at a speed of 45 kilometers per hour, so that's the initial velocity, 45 kilometers per hour, and then increases its speed to 75 kilometers per hour. So that's the final, that's what it increased to, 75 kilometers per hour. The change in velocity takes 6 seconds, and that's of course time. So we're given initial velocity, final velocity, and time, and it's asking for acceleration. So our unknown is acceleration. Now, our tool for acceleration is going to be the acceleration formula. Acceleration is the change in velocity divided by the change in time. However, this kind of has its own formula of VF, V final, minus V initial. So sometimes it's just easier to go ahead and write the formula that way. So acceleration equals final velocity minus initial velocity divided by change in time. Now, I didn't do anything real special here. I just substituted what I know change in velocity is right here. So I know change in velocity equals this, so I can write it here. So acceleration equals final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. So come down here to the bottom, and from here, really, it's just a plug and chug. Final velocity is 75 kilometers per hour. Initial velocity is 45 kilometers per hour. And the time it took was 6 seconds. 75 minus 45 is 30. Now notice I'm carrying my units with me everywhere I go. This is really important. Put your units with your numbers. 75 minus 45 is 30 kilometers per hour, and then again divided by 6 seconds. And from here, the reason I carried my units becomes really clear. It gives me the units to the problem. 6 goes into 30 5 times, so that's the number of my answer. And then my units are kilometers per hour every second, meaning the car increased its velocity 5 kilometers per hour every second. And that is your final answer.